What if robots could play soccer, think independently without the cloud, and even hold a conversation while helping you around the house? Well, this week, that sci-fi fantasy became reality. Humanoid robots battled it out on the soccer pitch in China. Google DeepMind dropped Gemini Robotics on device, a groundbreaking AI brain. And Elon Musk revealed Tesla's Optimus V3, now equipped with a voice. Trust me, the robotics game has just changed forever. Let's start with China, where robotics innovation is peaking and the future just played out on a soccer field. In Beijing, China hosted its first ever fully autonomous 3-on-3 soccer match featuring humanoid robots. 4 university teams sent Booster T1 robots onto the field. No remote, no joystick, just AI doing its thing. Think about that. Robots strategizing, cooperating, and even picking themselves up after a tumble, all on their own. Just a month ago, Unitree held a robot boxing match, but those robots were remote-controlled by human operators. This time, the machines were calling their own shots. It was a shift from remote-controlled combat to free-thinking team play. Sure, there were some hilarious slip-ups, robots stumbling, scoring own goals, or getting stuck. But beneath the entertainment, this event was a massive technological leap forward. Booster T1 robots showcased serious balance, real-time decision-making, and multi-robot teamwork. It's not just about soccer, it's proof robots can handle complex, dynamic environments, skills critical for real-world tasks. This event was a sneak peek at what's to come at the World Humanoid Robot Games, set for Beijing in August, where robots will sprint, dance, and even perform practical tasks, bringing us one step closer to humanoid robots seamlessly blending into our daily lives. Robots are learning how to move, but what about how to think? Most robots today still rely on cloud servers to process complex decisions. That means they need a steady internet connection to function well. But what happens in places with weak or no connectivity? That's where Google's game-changing Gemini Robotics on-device steps in. This isn't your usual internet-reliant AI. It's a small, smart brain built right into the robot itself. No Wi-Fi, no lag, just instant thinking and action. Imagine cutting the leash and giving robots their own autonomy. Gemini on-device runs fast enough to react within milliseconds, catching a falling object before disaster strikes. Enjoying the video? Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And with that, let's get back to the video. Google's demos were mind-blowing. Robots unzipped bags, folded clothes with precision, poured liquids flawlessly, and handled tasks usually needing extensive programming, all mastered after seeing only about 50 examples. This isn't just efficient, it's revolutionary. Gemini adapts rapidly, mastering new skills quickly, and it works on diverse hardware, bi-arm robots, industrial arms, even humanoids. This means we're moving towards universal robot intelligence. Whether in your kitchen, on a factory line, or even on Mars, robots will soon learn new tricks effortlessly and independently. We've seen robots play soccer and think on their own, but what if they could talk too? That brings us to Tesla Optimus V3. Elon Musk shared some exciting updates about Optimus V3, including one major change. Optimus can now talk thanks to Grok, Musk's own conversational AI. Imagine Optimus not just lifting boxes but joking, advising, or responding conversationally while performing chores around the house. The dream of sci-fi robotic companions is becoming reality faster than we ever expected. Optimus V3 isn't just about talking. It also moves better than ever. Its hands are more flexible, almost like a real person's, and it can walk and move on its own using the same tech Tesla uses for self-driving cars. Elon Musk says Tesla plans to build thousands of these robots by the end of the year. So instead of just being cool to look at, robots like Optimus might soon be working in factories, helping in homes, and becoming a part of everyday life. So what's next? Imagine Optimus walking around a factory, talking to workers, and learning new tasks just by watching. That's where things are heading. Tesla is really good at building strong, smooth-moving robots. Gemini brings the smart brain that can think fast and work on its own. Put them together, and you get a robot that's not only strong and helpful, but also smart enough to work without needing the internet all the time. This mix could turn Optimus into a super useful robot for almost any job. All these breakthroughs, robot soccer, Gemini's autonomous AI brain, and Optimus's conversational capabilities mark a monumental leap forward. We're not just witnessing advancements, we're entering a new era where robots become genuine companions and colleagues, seamlessly blending into human spaces. Keep your eyes open. The line between humans and robots is getting blurrier every day. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve as this future unfolds, make sure to subscribe. Don't wait until robots are everywhere to start paying attention. Hit that button now so you don't fall behind.